Whether you're editing photos, creating videos, or maybe you've just finally surrendered to AI-powered help, this video is for you. By the way, I use all of these apps on a daily basis, except for one, but the one app I don't use is really good. It's highly rated, so I just had to include it. Let's get into it. First up, and this is an app I use a lot for mobile video editing, is InShot. InShot is a powerful, user-friendly app, and it's perfect for creating polished videos right from your phone. Some of the things that go into the pros column for InShot include it offers easy trimming, splitting, and merging of video clips. You can add text, music, and transitions effortlessly. And the Pro version at just $3.99 a month is really affordable compared to other comparable video editing apps. Now, every app has its cons, of course. And some of InShot's include, well, the free version includes watermarks on all exports. Well, personally, not only can I not stand watermarks, I won't post anything with a watermark. But for beginners, it's better to post with a watermark than not post at all. Also, it's not ideal for long form or complex projects. Now, next up on our list is Lightroom. The Lightroom app is a game changer for photo editing. If you want your photos to look professional without spending hours tweaking them, Lightroom is badass. I use Lightroom for photo editing more than any other software. Some of Lightroom's pros include it's very beginner friendly with preset filters that instantly enhance your photos. You can get access to advanced tools, even in the free version, like exposure adjustments, color grading, and cropping. And the paid version is cloud-based, so you can switch between your phone and your desktop really easily. Some of Lightroom's drawbacks include the free version is a little bit limited when compared to the paid version, and the paid version can get a little pricey. I mean, it's not crazy expensive, but I think it's like $12 a month. Another drawback is there's a bit of a learning curve when you get into the advanced features. Next up, let's talk about Canva. And I am a huge fan of Canva. It's an incredible app, and I probably use it as much as any other app that I'm covering in this video. There's almost too many features to cover in a short video, but it's a versatile tool for everything from Instagram posts to YouTube thumbnails. It's super user-friendly, making it an absolute must-have for content creators, especially beginner creators. Some Canva pros include its simple drag and drop simplicity makes designing super easy. It has thousands of templates for social media, presentations, and so much more. If you haven't checked out Canva, you need to. And Canva's collaboration features are perfect if you're working with a team. I am currently using it with 3 different teams of people with different projects. Now, some of Canva's cons include, even though the free version offers access to a ton of great features, if you want some of the really cool templates and elements, you're going to have to upgrade to Canva Pro. Still, the Pro version isn't bad at roughly $10 a month, and especially for what you get with that subscription. Another negative is that as good as Canva is, if you're looking for heavy customization, it can be a little bit limiting. For one of the best video editing apps that I rarely use, CapCut is significantly better when it comes to video editing than InShot. I've used InShot for so long, and it really does everything I need for a mobile editing app. But CapCut, if you haven't used it, it's impressive. Even the free version. If you're looking to create short-form videos like TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, CapCut is a powerhouse. Some of the CapCut pros include tons of built-in effects, transitions, and filters. They're really good. It's perfect for creating trendy videos with text-to-speech and auto captions. And you can access plenty of great free features with no watermarks. And some of the CapCut cons include it lacks advanced AI-driven subtitling. When it comes to multi-track editing, I found it to be a little bit limiting, like compared to InShot. And it takes up a lot of storage. So your storage space can actually add up really quickly when it comes to high-resolution projects. And last, but definitely not least, I want to talk about ChatGPT. It seems like there's a new AI being introduced every other day, and there's plenty of great options. I've just gotten really comfortable with ChatGPT, so it's one of those that, for me, if it's not broken, then why fix it? ChatGPT isn't what a lot of people think about when it comes to traditional editing, but it's an incredible tool for content creators. Much like I've mentioned with Canva, there's really just too many great features to include in this video when it comes to ChatGPT. But here's just a few. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, and even create captions. It'll save you time when you're stuck on wording or maybe just need a fresh perspective. And ChatGPT is great for beginners who want to streamline their content creation process. And as far as some of the ChatGPT cons, well, there's not many, but they include it really needs a good bit of refining to fit your personal tone and learn what you want and how you want it. Like many AI apps, the paid version can get a little pricey, and that's like about $20 a month. And ChatGPT isn't currently designed for visual editing. So you'll still need some complementary apps like the ones that I've mentioned in this video. And there you have it. Lightroom, Canva, InShot, CapCut, and ChatGPT. Each one has its own unique strengths, and combining them can take your content to the next level. Let me know in the comments which app is your favorite, or if there's another one you think that I should try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.